Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, hard disk drive, and base enclosure. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of all the cables around the subwoofer for later replacement. Peel back the tape that secures the subwoofer to the system board. Disconnect the subwoofer cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 3 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the subwoofer to the top cover. Lift the subwoofer off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the subwoofer onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Important: ensure that all cables are free from being pinched between the subwoofer and top cover. Replace the 3 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the subwoofer to the top cover. Connect the subwoofer cable into its connector on the system board. Replace the tape that secures the subwoofer to the system board.